I feel like I'm living in a real community in which people care about each other, and it's a very diverse community, age-wise, racially, ethnically. There's people have all different sexual orientations. I mean, there's just a variety of people living there, and we're living there in a very conscious way in which people are trying to reach out to each other. With the Chatham Square Neighborhood Group, because we're out in the park, the kids now know us. And so when I'm driving around or when I'm walking around going down to Clinton Avenue School, the kids know me, and so we feel like there's a good number of adults in the neighborhood that they know, so if they ever need anything or if they're afraid of anything, they know they can come to my house. They know they can go to several of our neighbors' houses. So we're trying to create that environment of what used to exist like 40 or 50 years ago, where people cared about each other, they watched out for the kids, and the kids felt safe. The city has been great. They just finished sidewalks on Perkins Avenue. You know, they are giving us the sidewalks we need, which is making a big difference in terms of the kids being out playing and absolutely riding bikes, using the scooters. It's exercise. It's great for them. So now you go to Chatham Square Park and you see tons of kids playing football, playing volleyball, riding bikes, riding scooters, which you didn't see before. So, you know, a healthy neighborhood for us is relationships with the neighbors, trying to broaden the relationship base and then create activities that are positive, creative things for the kids. We're trying to work on food issues and exercise issues because we have a huge number of kids in the neighborhood that are asthmatic and that are obese, and we're trying to deal with that. When I bring food for the after-school program down at Quinnipiac Terrace, we bring apples and watermelon and oranges. It's always fruit. We talk about eating healthy and not eating junk. And the kids have really responded well to the fruit, because I think if there are 3 or 4 kids in a family, it's very hard for the parents to afford apples and oranges and pears, and so we've been doing that. I think the most exciting thing for me has been to see the kids blossom and see that they have places to go like Lewis Street Park, now Dover Beach, that there's things for them to do, and the excitement on their faces when they learn to do something. For me, it's always been, we've got to develop the neighborhood based on the kids. Other people are working on economic development, other people are working on community building. For me, it's about the kids, because the kids are the future. They're the ones that are going to make the neighborhood strong.